At Unit 4, we're all about future-proofing technology. We're dedicated to creating solutions that are right for you and your industry now and in the future. We also know that every organization has different and specific processes and requirements. And these requirements are ever-changing. One size does not always fit all. With this in mind, we've created App Studio, a low-code customization tool that makes it easy to extend Unit 4 ERP with new screens and apps as and when you need them. Because the tool is low-code, this means standard business users can now create their own forms without needing to involve IT. The tool also enables more complex applications, such as creating integration with third parties, data transformation, creating business logic, or doing complex validations and interactions. Technical staff still benefit from a simple environment that reduces development complexity and boosts their productivity. Here's how Unit 4 customers have been using App Studio. Firstly, a Unit 4 customer in Australia has created a new version of the credit invoice screen, simplifying it with pre-populated fields and custom validations. Users now only need to fill in a couple of fields, simplifying the task and avoiding accounting errors. Secondly, a Unit 4 customer used App Studio along with Unit 4's Industry Mesh, which allows users to connect to external sources like Dun & Bradstreet, Chamber of Commerce, and certain sanction lists to build customer and supplier data information. This saves time and reduces manual error, informing decisions about whether they are a good supplier to work with. And finally, new supplier invoice and incoming invoice forms that can display or hide fields depending on the location of the customer. This streamlines processes, making it easy to localize forms as you need them. So let's take a look. Here is the Unit 4 extension kit, and you see a menu item titled App Studio. The first stage is to design your app in the App Studio dashboard. From here, you can create a new app from scratch or use a pre-built template. Using App Studio Designer, you can use and select different components which have been designed and built by the Unit 4 user experience team to help you build your application. In the center, we have the canvas, which is low-code, drag and drop. This is where you will create your layout. You can drag any component into the screen. You can change the order, and you can also select other components. You can add tabs, a grid, checkboxes. It's up to you. For advanced users, you can also change the CSS of the application. Any applications you build are responsive, so they can work across different device types, such as tablets or mobile. The second stage after designing your app is connecting to your data sources with the Resources screen. Here, you can easily select your data sources and connect them to your application in just a few clicks. The third step after designing your application and connecting the data source is defining your business logic. This is where you can define how and when your application is launched. In this example, we are calling the different APIs to retrieve the information and present it to the user when they run the application. Or, you can define what happens when a user clicks on a specific button. So, we have now created the layout, attached the resources and data, and also defined the logic flow. Now it's time to save. It can then be exported to be used in another environment, or it can be named and published in an application. Once it is published, App Studio creates a URL that can be shared. It can then be run as a standalone application. The application can also be created as a menu item in ERPX itself if needed. Thank you for watching this demo of Unit 4's App Studio. We hope this helps you see the extendable possibilities of ERPX and how the platform enables you to evolve your solution as you need it.